Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're discussing an issue with the new AMD Adrenalin 23.2.1 driver, which is causing some users headaches and bricking their Windows installation. This issue is not limited to just the 23.2.1 version, as Brad Chacos, the executive editor at PC World, also encountered the same bug with the latest 23.2.2 update. After a couple of weeks of investigation, AMD has finally found a solution. According to an AMD spokesperson, this issue can occur in an extremely small number of instances if a PC update occurs during the installation of AMD software, Adrenalin Edition. To avoid this problem, AMD recommends users ensure all system updates are applied or paused before installing the driver and make sure factory reset is unchecked during the installation. It's also best practice to do a clean install of your display drivers with every update. But unfortunately, the factory reset option is currently borked on AMD's Adrenalin drivers, so users are advised to untick the option before installation and make sure to pause or disable Windows updates prior to the Adrenalin driver installation. In the event you've already encountered this bug, AMD has advised a temporary workaround. Users must use Windows recovery mode. Getting to that recovery mode, however, is not easy. You must hit the power button to force Windows into automatic recovery, but you must do so immediately after the BIOS options disappear but before the Windows spinning circle. Do this wrong and it could lead to a black screen. It's pretty tricky. It took Brad Chacos 15 attempts to do it. For those unlucky users already facing this problem, Windows recovery mode may provide a solution. But it's best to take AMD's advice and prevent this issue altogether by taking extra care when installing the Adrenalin drivers. Make sure to untick factory reset, pause or disable Windows updates, and do a full clean install. If you don't keep regular data backups, now is a good time to start. And whatever you do, don't take unnecessary chances with the Adrenalin drivers. We hope this video has been helpful, and as always, we'll keep you updated with any further news. Thank you for watching.